The giant horse cock weighs over 11 pounds.
The fucking what?
Just got a call from my ex's mum. She's pregnant. I didn't mean to blow inside her. It was an accident. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna run away. She'll be right. Babe, I banged your mum, but it was an accident. It didn't mean anything. Like, I want you. I don't want your mum. Do you wanna have a threesome? We can talk about that later.
Come da bene cave di I love you.
Stephanie, I'm at the mall and I see your boyfriend walking around with some fat bitch. Jess, what do you mean? I'm with my boyfriend right now.
Hello?
Oh, hey there, Donald.
Hi, Georgie.
Hey, Donald.
What?
Where's my fucking money?
I don't know.
Come here, you son of a bitch!
Somebody come get her. She fucking up my dinner.
Come closer. What is the sound of one hand clapping?
I don't know. What is the sound of one?